Japanese people don't rely on motivation to stay disciplined. They rely on a system, no hype, no rise and grind speeches, just 6 quiet principles that have kept an entire culture consistent for generations. And once you understand them, you'll realize why your motivation keeps failing you. Let's break them down fast. Most people fail at discipline because they treat it as an emotion. You wait to feel motivated before you act. But motivation is a mood. Moods are unreliable. If your discipline depends on how you feel, it disappears when the feeling does. The fix isn't more motivation. It's a structure that works even when motivation is at 0. Number 1, shugyo means choosing hardship on purpose. A cold shower, an early run, a hard conversation you've been avoiding. Not because it's fun, but because doing hard things by choice trains your brain to stop waiting for comfort before it acts. Every voluntary hardship is a rep for your willpower muscle. Number 2, Kaizen says, don't chase a big transformation, chase 1% better today. 1 page read, 1 extra set, 5-minute walk. Big goals scare the brain into procrastination. Tiny, repeatable wins don't, and they compound into something huge nobody notices happening until it already has. Number 3, Denshari. Denshari means cutting what doesn't matter, the extra tabs, the noise, the clutter, mute unwanted app notification. Discipline isn't just about pushing forward, it's about removing the friction that pulls you backward. A focused environment makes focus the default, not a fight. Number 4, wabi-sabi. Wabi-sabi is accepting that nothing you do will be perfect and doing it anyway. Perfectionism is one of the sneakiest forms of procrastination. It feels like ambition, but it's really fear wearing a nicer outfit. Progress beats a perfect plan that never starts. Number 5, ikigai. Ikigai is your reason for showing up. Discipline without a why turns into pure willpower, and willpower runs out. Discipline connected to a purpose barely feels like discipline at all. It feels like commitment. Number 6, kodawari. Most people just try to finish the job. The best people focus on doing it as well as they can. They care about the little details that others ignore. That's how average work becomes excellent work. And over time, those small improvements make a huge difference. 6 principles, 1 pattern. None of them ask you to feel ready. They just ask you to act. Small, imperfect, on purpose. That's the entire secret. Discipline was never about willpower. It was always about the system around it. So today, don't try to overhaul your life. Pick 1 goal, do 1 uncomfortable thing on purpose, or cut 1 distraction from your space. That's it. That's the whole system. 1 small, repeatable action at a time.